every training or learning program is a refreshing opportunity.
Main reason, di ba, kaya naman tayo nagtatrabaho? Kasi, financially para i-ano natin. So, parang gusto ko dumating yung lahat na ma-educate ko kayo at magkaroon tayo ng chance through RARR, yung magkaroon tayo lahat ng financial freedom.
Sabi daw, the smartest in the room is not the loudest, but the one who knows when to answer and ask the right questions.
In terms of being proactive, my take on this, it's going back to the basics as sabi ni Ma'am kanina na, come on, I will go with you or go with me. Everybody should perspire back again. That's the fundamentals.
Why you love your job? Naisip niyo ba talaga na mahal niyo yung trabaho niyo? O dahil sinabi ko lang na bakit niyo mahal mo yung trabaho mo? Because sometimes we don't think about it, right? We just do what we do. We love our doing, it's just that we don't think that we love our job. But in fact, you love your job, di ba?
For our people to be better, we need to be great. Hindi lang basta tayo good. Kasi kapag good lang tayo, laging one down ang ating tao. Okay. That's why if you want to make sure our people be a good or a better employee or leader, we need to be the best at all times.
It's tough to be nice and it's nice to be tough. A leader must be both. True, truthful, pero may puso. Kung may beauty with the heart, meron ding leader with the heart. Kaya sabi daw no one would want to work for a loser. That's why a leader must be a continuing learner and the leader must always put or add value para maramdaman niya na win-win tayo. Ang tunay na leader po, sabi nga ni Coach Malvin, puno ng thanksgiving. At higit sa lahat, may gratitude. At ATR, RARR,